Hi, everybody. I hope you and your families are doing well. I miss everybody, and I really do hope that we can get back to praying more soon. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you what you're going to be doing when you go into Road Trip Nation. I know it's been a couple weeks, so you might have forgotten. You're going to go into roadtripnation.org, and then when you get there, I'm going to click on this screen here, and you're going to see the lessons. So once you get to the lessons, make sure you click on Lesson 3, the noise. And then you're going to go here and you scroll down. You're going to watch this video here where it says, what is the noise? After you watch that video, usually if you remember in class, I would give you a piece of paper to take notes. But this time we're going to take it easy, and I'm just going to have you choose from one of the interviews here on the right. See where I'm scrolling. So you can choose from Holly Beck, a pro surfer, Chris Wink, a creator, Wanda Sykes, the comedian, which many of you probably know, Doug Baum, an owner, and then Gerard Baker, a park superintendent. So you can watch one, you can watch two, you can watch as many as you want, but choose at least one person's interview to watch. After you do that, you're going to go down the screen here, and then you're going to be reading. There's a couple paragraphs here, right, that you would read through. And then if you remember, there were some questions here. So numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the questions you would be answering. And then all the way at the bottom is the blue submit button. So don't forget to hit submit, because that's the only way I can see that you've done your work, and the only way you'd get credit for that is by making sure that you answer those questions. Okay, so I'm just going to read these paragraphs here. When you make decisions for yourself, it might seem like others have their own ideas about those decisions. Whether it's the clothes that you wear, the friends who you like, or the classes that interest you, someone usually has an opinion that he or she wants to share with you. These conflicting messages come from the media, your peers, your culture, or even people you really care about. We call these distractions the noise, and it's up to you to block the noise that keeps you from staying true to yourself. You must listen to your inner voice that tells you what interests you and what's important to you. The media is one of the most powerful sources of the noise in our lives. TV, music, and advertisements constantly bombard us with messages about the clothes that we should wear or the music that we should listen to, even if we don't like them. If we don't filter out the noise, then we allow it to define important concepts for us, such as success, beauty, and happiness. Those definitions should be our own. So, how do you shed the noise? The first step is to identify the noise. Take a closer look at the messages that you hear every day. See which ones support you and your goals. However, every message that you dislike is not necessarily the noise. Advice from people who care about you can be an important tool to keep you on track if you lose your way. The key is to recognize the messages that support you and what you want to accomplish. Shed the noise that forces you to be someone you are not. How to shed the noise. Here are a few steps to keep in mind as you shed the noise. 1. Identify the outside messages coming at you, the potential noise. 2. Ask questions about those messages. Does that sound right to me? Could what they say be true even if I don't like it? Don't take for granted that your parents, teachers, or friends are always right, but don't just ignore them either. Decide if the messages help you along your road, good advice, or put you on the wrong one, the noise. Number 4, listen to the messages that support you and what you want for yourself. Shed everything else. Question 1 is asking, it says, the leaders and the road trippers in the lesson video shared many examples of the noise that they've heard in their lives. Choose either a leader or a road tripper and explain how the noise affected his or her life or choices. Number 2, imagine you have headphones playing a song that helps you drown out the noise. use the internet to search for the lyrics of your song and copy and paste the link into the space below. 3. In the space below, explain how the lyrics of the song help you drown out the noise. And finally, number 4, think of examples of the noise in your life. In the space below, describe an example of the noise that you hear from someone close to you. There's a tip here on the right that says you can use the prompts below to answer the question, or you can simply use your own words. So if you need sentence frames, they have tips on the right here. For example, it says, I hear the noise from, and you would fill in the rest. It makes me feel like I should, ... So if you're having a hard time writing, look at the right where the green light bulb is, and there's some tips there to help you start off your sentences. And then, of course, don't forget to click on the blue submit button when you're done with your responses. So that's all that I have for you for now. I look forward to reading your responses and hearing from you. It's been a while, and I really miss everybody, so I will talk to you all soon.